Okay, so now let's take a look at Kiosk Mode. I've got newline launch control in normal mode right now, which means that I've got these Windows buttons here so I can minimize or close this. If you want users to only be using newline launch control and not be able to do that, you just have to put it in Kiosk Mode. Here's how we do it. First, we unlock. Enter the PIN. And it's showing me there's an update. We're going to ignore that for now. And here now I have access to some additional controls. And there's my Kiosk Mode switch right there. I'm going to go ahead and touch it. Enable Kiosk Mode. And now you can see those buttons are no longer there. So when I lock the settings in place, now here we are back in the user section. Those buttons are no longer there, so users can now only use launch control.